We learn about the taste pathway. So the first order neuron starts from the tongue. So we know taste bud present in the tongue gets stimulated. So it stimulates from the anterior two-third of the tongue. It stimulates the seventh cranial nerve. Okay, so seventh cranial nerve that ends in the nucleus tractus solitarius, the gustatory area. Okay, so nucleus tractus solitarius has many functions. A part of it is responsible for gustatory function and another one taste function. So the gustatory area, the seventh nerve ends there. Okay, from the posterior one third of the tongue, it is the glossopharyngeal nerve which carries the information to the gustatory area. From the pharynx, epiglottis, or the posterior most portion of the throat, no, the taste, there are also some taste buds present there. So that information, the taste sensation will be carried by the vagus nerve, the 10th cranial nerve. So we have three cranial nerves, 7th cranial nerve, 9th cranial nerve and 10th cranial nerve, which carry the taste sensation to the nucleus tractus solitarius. So you can see here the chorda tympani nerve, the cell body is located in the geniculate ganglion. For the glossopharyngeal nerve, it is in the petrosal ganglion. For vagus nerve, it is the nodosa ganglion. So from all these three ganglions, you can see pseudo-unipolar neuron is arising. The one end will form the nerve which carries the taste sensation. The other will relate to the gustatory area of the nucleus tractus solitarius. So we can take this as all the three nerves as first order neuron. So they're all carrying the sensation, taste sensation from different parts of the tongue and pharynx to your gustatory area, which is present in the nucleus tractus solitarius in the medulla. Okay, now second order neuron arises from the nucleus tractus solitarius and goes to VPM nuclei of thalamus. We all know the ventroposteromedial nuclei is concerned with taste and olfactory taste sensations. Okay, not olfactory, it's concerned with the taste function. The ventroposteromedial nuclei of the thalamus. From here, third order neuron arises and then ends in the gustatory cortex. So if you can see here, this is the insular cortex. Okay, this yellow color is the insular cortex. It is also called gustatory cortex, and this is Brodmann's area number 43. So now remember here, the taste pathway is not crossing to opposite side, meaning from the right half of the tongue, the information is conveyed to the right gustatory cortex. From the left half of the tongue, the information is conveyed to the left insular cortex. Yeah. So just to summarize now, chorda tympani nerve from anterior two-thirds of the tongue, the glossopharyngeal nerve from posterior one-third of the tongue, the vagus nerve from the posterior most portion like pharynx, epiglottis and all, no, the taste sensation is being carried by these three nerves. Okay, chorda tympani nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve and vagus nerve to the NTS gustatory area of nucleus tractus solitarius in the medulla. Second order neuron arises and then it goes and relays in the thalamus. Which nuclei? VPM nuclei, ventroposteromedial nuclei of thalamus. From there, third order neuron arises and then goes to the insular cortex. You can see the pathway here. Chorda tympani nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve, vagus nerve, they all end in the nucleus tractus solitarius gustatory area. From there, VPM nuclei of thalamus then goes to gustatory cortex, otherwise insula, area number 43. Okay, so